Good day, students. It's Mrs. Snyman here. I'm at Citibank College at the Heidelberg campus. And today we are talking about Personal Assistance Level 4, Topic 4, Liaising with a Range of Business Customers. This actually forms part of Topic 3. So this is just a continuation. Okay. Here we're going to look at identifying and assessing customer satisfaction, how to report and communicate processes, scheduling and initiating customer contact, and then building partnerships and administering contact, and how to grade and categorize your customers. Okay. So the first one is identifying and assessing customer satisfaction. So before you can improve satisfaction, you need to find out how satisfied are your customers currently. So you've got to be proactive. It shouldn't just be responsive grievance handling. Okay, so you need to be one step ahead of the customers. All right. You need to pay attention to professional details. There should be internal and external optimization. Remember, if you have satisfied employees, you will probably have satisfied customers. Okay. Then, informing customers of activities. This is all about marketing and advertising. You've got to be very strategic with product and service updates, and you've got to use a diverse range of communication channels, not just social media, because remember, older people don't necessarily utilize social media platforms. So you need to look at that. Informing customers of activities. So you've got to have regular scheduling for engagement with customers because the customers keep your business going. And then purposeful interaction triggers. Okay. Reporting and communication processes. Okay. Refer information to management, how to report on prospective new customers, how to communicate specific customer needs, how to provide positive criticism and feedback. So, communication methods and factors include utilizing diverse promotional tools. You need to know what they are. Consider market and product variables, and also establish two-way information flow. In other words, not just giving information to customers, but also getting information from them. Scheduling and initiating customer contact. How are you going to do that? Through random pulsing strategies, through concentrated timing methods, and continuity and ongoing engagement. Be sure of the reasons why you are contacting the customers. It can be because of product innovation, service awareness, to reinforce purchase decisions, and to establish customer loyalty. Okay, building partnerships and administering contact. So you've got to have strategic customer interaction scheduling and maybe formal semi-annual review meetings, precision in interaction documentation. That word constantly comes up in personal assistance. Documentation, and then proactive engagement for loyalty. Then how to analyze and have analysis ready and reporting for management, so that you can do strategic marketing and budget planning. And then also for performance and complaint feedback loops and customer grading for resource allocation. Now, how do we grade customers and why do we grade them? So that you can know how to do advertising. Your grade A, they are your best customers. You don't want to lose them. Your grade B customers are your regular customers, and your grade C customers are the smaller scale customers. But remember, don't ever say no customer is important, because every customer is important. It's just that some of them buy more and gets classified in a different category. Okay, so they are your, so that you can do resource allocation. And that's it. Thank you, guys.